This is a heavy one. Okay. Lever 2. Oh. And go! Oh my god. Got it on there. Oh, oh my god! What? It's way too close to the end for fun. I thought we were going off.
Does this ever stop, man?
Might not.
This is not like it, man.
Hold the tree. And grab the tree to stop. We pull?
Maybe did.
Oh god. Did you pull?
Oh!
Oh no, we're going. Oh, oh my god. Oh, no, the bushes!
Oh, we're gonna put the chain up. There's chain.
Holy crap! That's one of the scariest rides ever.
I don't know how to stop it.
Whoa! That last turn, I thought I was gonna like fly out. I don't know, we might have to wait a little more. Oh. Whoa! What's up, kid? Whew. Oh, can we do that?
Should I think it's this one.
Oh yeah, that's breaking us.
Oh yeah.
Jeremy's got the brakes. Excellent. Ooh. This might be the most painful airtime I ever experienced with these metal bars. Oh god. Here we go. Ow! Oh my god, my shit, or my thighs. Yeah. You have to be 70 kilograms. Guy weighed less.